The 737 service interphone system is used for cabin communication. It lets the flight attendants talk to the flight crew, to each other, make passenger announcements, and play music. The call system uses lights and chimes as signals to the cabin crew members. Handsets are used for communications between the flight crew and the attendant stations. The 737 is equipped with a vacuum waste system for the galleys and lavatories. The lavatories contain different accessories, such as diaper changing tables or accommodations for the handicapped. Potable drinking water is available in the galleys and lavatories. The aft attendant panel has indicators for the wastewater and potable water systems. Lavatory wastewater servicing is done at the access panel forward and below the aft service door. Potable water system servicing is done at the access panel forward and below the cabin aft service door. The water removal drains for the vacuum waste system are at the rear of the airplane. This decreases the risk of blue ice damage. The communication system includes the service interphone system, passenger address and call systems, and passenger signs. The crew call system gives a signal to flight crew members that communication is necessary. It uses lights and electronic chimes. The crew call system can be activated from the flight deck or an attendant station. Passengers can push a call switch at each seat or in the lavatories to call an attendant. When the captain pushes the attendant call button, the forward and aft pink lights illuminate and a two-tone chime sounds. You use the handset to answer the call. Pick up the handset now. The pink lights extinguish when the handset is lifted, and you can talk directly with the flight deck. The cabin can call the captain if you push the number 2. The chime sounds in the flight deck and the call light illuminates. You can call the other attendant station when you push the number 5. The pink lights illuminate and the chime sounds. When the attendant answers, the pink lights extinguish. The passenger address or PA system is used for announcements from the pilots or the flight attendants to the passengers. An announcement from the flight deck takes priority over all other announcements. All announcements are heard through speakers in the PSUs, lavatories, and attendant stations. Recorded PA announcements and boarding music are controlled from the announcement reproducer near the forward attendant station. The numeric keys are used to select a tape message number to play or to insert codes. The Music 1 and 2 keys select tracks of music to play and are used with the start and stop switches to control boarding music. The volume knob controls music output level. Stop the boarding music. Now play the pre-recorded announcement number 7. The ready light illuminates when the programmed tape message is located. Push Start to play the message.
Your attention, please. Please return to your seats and fasten your seat belts.
All airplane lavatories are located in the main cabin. Some lavatories contain diaper changing stations, and some lavatories are equipped for handicapped passengers. All lavatories are equipped with a vacuum flush toilet, a wash basin and a mirror, vanity items, and a trash disposal unit. All lavatories have an attendant call switch and a return to seat sign that illuminates when the fasten seatbelt lights come on. There is also a smoke detector and a lavatory fire extinguisher system. The mirror light and lavatory occupied sign illuminate when you close and latch the door. The mirror light also illuminates when external power is connected. The door can be open or closed. The lavatory door can be locked or unlocked from the outside. Water is supplied to the galleys, the lavatory wash basins, and the toilet flush systems by a potable water tank installed below the aft cabin floor. Engine bleed air is used to pressurize the water system. Each lavatory has a water shutoff valve below the sink. The supply on-drain position supplies water to the sink and toilet. The faucet on and toilet on positions supply water to the related components. A water heater operates automatically to supply hot water for the sinks. Very high water temperatures automatically turn off the heater. An on-off switch is on the side of each heater. This indicator light illuminates when power is on and extinguishes when power is turned off, or in an overheat condition. There is an overheat reset switch you can push to reset the water heater. The aft attendant panel shows the quantity of potable water with green indicator lights. The waste system indicator uses 3 different colors to show system quantity. As the tank becomes full, the lights become amber, then red. If the waste system becomes full, the lavatories cannot operate and the lav's in-op light illuminates. This light comes on if the tank sensor must be cleaned or checked. Let's look at some non-normal conditions associated with the lavatories. If the flush valve fails open in the vacuum toilet system, cabin pressure escapes through the vacuum waste system. You can pull the manual shutoff valve handle to close the manual flush valve. A water leak has occurred in the lavatory. Set the selector valve to off to stop all water to the lavatory. The smoke detector audible alarm and red alarm indicator light come on to indicate that smoke has been detected in the lavatory. The trash disposal unit in each lavatory is equipped with an automatically activated fire extinguishing system. If the temperature goes above a preset level, the system activates and extinguishes the fire.